Hey cruisers, are you looking for cruise port day tips, how to explore cruise ports, or maybe even avoiding port scams? Port days are often the absolute highlight of any cruise, a chance to explore new destinations and create unforgettable memories. But let's be real, they can also be a minefield of potential rip-offs, missed opportunities, and even getting left behind. You're in the absolute right place. Today, we're revealing 6 things smart cruisers do on port days to avoid getting ripped off, make the most of every minute, and ensure you make it back to the ship on time. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about excursion excellence. Smart cruisers know when to book with the ship and when to go rogue. Ship excursions offer convenience and the ship will wait, guarantee, which is great for peace of mind, especially in ports with tight schedules or complex logistics, but they can also be pricier and less flexible. For many ports, especially those you visited before or where you feel comfortable navigating, independent excursions can offer a more authentic, personalized, and often more affordable experience. The key is research. Before you even leave home, look up local tour operators, read reviews, and compare prices. Don't be afraid to book directly with reputable local companies. Port pitfall warning. Walking away from the ship without a plan, that's a rookie mistake. Even if you're just exploring on your own, have a general idea of what you want to see, how you'll get there, and how long it will take. A little planning goes a long way in maximizing your port day and avoiding unnecessary stress. Next, let's master local currency and budgeting. Don't get ripped off by bad exchange rates. Smart cruisers handle their money wisely in port. While many places accept US dollars or credit cards, using local currency often gets you a better deal, especially in smaller shops or markets. Before you go, check the current exchange rate. Avoid exchanging large amounts of money at the airport or cruise terminal, as these often have the worst rates. Instead, consider withdrawing local currency from an ATM in port, but make sure it's a reputable bank ATM, not a standalone one in a tourist trap, to avoid excessive fees. Better yet, use a travel-friendly credit card with no foreign transaction fees for larger purchases. And here's a fun one. In many local markets, haggling is expected. Don't be afraid to politely negotiate prices, especially for souvenirs. Start a little lower than you're willing to pay and meet in the middle. It's part of the cultural experience and can save you some cash. Moving on to safety first. Don't get banned from a good time by falling for tourist traps or scams. Exploring new places is exciting, but smart cruisers prioritize their safety. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Keep your valuables secure and out of sight. A crossbody bag or money belt is a great idea. Research common scams in your specific port beforehand. These can range from overly friendly strangers trying to help you to fake petitions or taxi drivers who refuse to use a meter. If something feels off, trust your gut and politely decline. Stick to well-lit, populated areas, especially after dark if you're out late. Port pitfall warning. Don't flash large amounts of cash or expensive jewelry. You don't want to make yourself a target. And always let someone know your general plan for the day, whether it's a travel companion or even a quick message to a friend back home. A little caution ensures a lot of fun. Next up, time management mastery. Smart cruisers never miss the ship. This is perhaps the most crucial rule of port days. You absolutely must know the all-aboard time, and it's usually earlier than the ship's departure time. This is not a suggestion. It's a hard deadline. Always plan to be back at the pier with plenty of buffer time. I recommend at least an hour, preferably more. Traffic, unexpected delays, or even just getting lost can happen. If you're on a ship-sponsored excursion, they'll handle getting you back. But if you're independent, the responsibility is entirely yours. Port pitfall warning. Walking away from the pier too late? That's a rookie mistake. Missing the ship means you're responsible for your own travel to the next port, which can be incredibly expensive and stressful. Set alarms on your phone, wear a watch, and keep an eye on the clock. Better to be early and enjoy a drink at the pier than to be late and watch your ship sail away. Let's talk about communication and connectivity. Don't get lost without a way to connect. While it's great to disconnect on vacation, having a way to communicate in port is essential for safety and convenience. Relying on expensive ship Wi-Fi in port is not a smart move. Smart cruisers consider a local SIM card or an eSIM for their phone. These are often very affordable and give you local data and calling capabilities. Alternatively, download offline maps of the port area before you leave the ship. Apps like Google Maps allow you to save areas for offline use, so you can navigate without an internet connection. Make sure you have important numbers saved, like the ship's emergency contact number, usually found in your daily planner, your travel companion's number, and local emergency services. If you're traveling with others, establish a meeting point and time in case you get separated. Being connected means being prepared. Finally, let's embrace authentic experiences. Smart cruisers go beyond the tourist traps. While the main attractions are popular for a reason, the real magic of a port day often lies in discovering the local culture. Seek out local food markets, try street food from reputable vendors, or find a small family-run restaurant away from the main tourist drag. Engage with locals, even if it's just a simple hello or thank you in their language. Look for unique crafts or souvenirs that truly represent the destination, rather than mass-produced items. These experiences not only enrich your trip, but also often support local communities directly. Don't be afraid to wander a few blocks off the main street. You might just stumble upon a hidden gem. So there you have it. 6 essential things smart cruisers do on port days to avoid getting ripped off and make the absolute most of every minute. From mastering your excursions and money to prioritizing safety, managing your time like a pro, staying connected, and seeking out those authentic experiences, these tips will help you conquer any port like a true cruise maniac. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips and tricks to help you cruise like a maniac. Now I want to hear from you. What's your best port day tip or your favorite authentic experience you've had in a port? Share it in the comments below. If you are a cruise maniac, leave a comment and let us know your secrets. Happy exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.